I thought I'd do a few videos catching up on some of the fantastic new additions to Canva's tools and apps this year. They've been amazing. I'm going to show you how you can use a few of those in this series of videos. The first one I'm going to share is Magic Layers, which I used to rescue a friend who had a problem. Let me get and share my Canva screen. What happened is that my friend has some testimonial layouts that she absolutely loved on her website, and she couldn't find them. The person who had created them for her had gone MIA, missing in action, and she couldn't get hold of them at all. She really wanted to reproduce these. So I said, pass it over and I'll see what I can do. First of all, I'm going to go to Uploads and upload the files she sent me. I'm going to upload these files. Two of them are PNG files, but one is a Chrome HTML file. So it's still in the format from the website. But with Canva, you can upload that as well, which is fantastic. And now they've all been uploaded as images. If I now want to use them, I have to click Edit Image and Create Design. What I wanted to use under the image editing was this new one that's called Magic Layers. And Magic Layers separates all the images, text, and icons that you have on a post and edit them. So let's click on Magic Layers and let it do its magic. And here you can see, I've now got all these as different aspects. Now it's been converted and I can edit this. I could change that image for another one. And this one was more problematic. This was moving as a whole image. So I needed to look at this again and see what I could do. What I decided I would do is go to Elements, look for mobile frame, and then just take one of these. I'll go see all. Take one of these that looks very similar to the ones, because these were originally created in Canva, and then just replace it. I'm just going to leave the previous one there, so I don't have to even worry about resizing. And now there's a frame for her. I need to go into Position, Layers. I'm going to delete the one that's already there. And then I'm going to move this one back behind the other elements. I still need to go and put it behind the white block as well. So let's go back into Layers again. We can do it by moving the white block up. And now it's back to where it was. Oh, I need to move this one forward too. The same issue, move this to the top as well. I couldn't edit that image. I went back into Elements. This time I searched for a circle. I didn't want a shape. I wanted a circle photo frame. This one was without a border, so I wanted to go for this graphic. And again, I'm just going to use the existing one to size this down. And that looks pretty good. Now it needs to be slightly, very slightly larger. If I make it larger, then I can actually do some more fine tuning on this. Move across a little. Just a little bit more. Again, if you're stuck in terms of getting things, just make it larger so you can actually work on it more easily and see what you're doing. Don't struggle with it at a small size. Not quite, if I go left, move it left a bit. Just with my arrow keys, then that's actually now lined that up above the existing photo. Again, back to Position and Layers, which is now going to automatically. And then I just want to delete that original image. And now I have the perfect template for her. And she can change this text to whatever she wants, as she has an editable file. I simply have to go and share it with her. The custom link is only available if you have a Pro account. And I will put a link to a Pro account where you can try it for 30 days below. Anyone with a link can now access this once I share that link with them. And that was all I needed to do. So well done, Magic Layers. They are brilliant. And it works so fast. It's just amazing if you've lost a file or you have an existing design that you want to get back at the layers of and you don't have the original anymore. It's a really quick way to do it. Again, you can see all those elements are now separated out. I hope that helps, and I'll catch up with you on the next video.